today. Mortal remains of Ningthojam Babisana to be laid to rest today. Chief Minister N. Biren against unofficial disclosure of any development on Babisana's case by investigating agency. And rupees 33.50 crore to be spent for development of schools in Manipur, says Chief Minister. Hello and good evening. You're watching Tom English News. This is Loving Rimai with you. Now let's have the news in details. Mortal remains of Ningthojam Babisana was laid to rest earlier today. Earlier in the day, the lifeless body of Babisana was taken from Janim's morgue. A large number of people took out a procession and took part in the last rites of the 13-year-old girl who allegedly committed suicide inside the hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur on July 18. A strong team of police barred the procession from further proceeding at Singjamei but later allowed them to pass through the road in batches. The body was first taken to Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, where a scuffle broke out between the people who were taking part in the procession and the police who refused them entry into the school campus. Only the family members and some JAC members were allowed inside the school to perform ritual. The procession then reached Tho ground and the participants paid floral tributes to Babisana at her residence. On the way, students and teachers of different schools also paid their respects to her while chanting slogans. After the floral tributes were paid at Tho ground, the procession finally headed to Hararau Tangkam Awang Lekai, where the mortal remains of Babisana was laid to rest. Locals backed by Mera Paibis of Thangmaiban Hijam Diwan Lekai today staged a sit-in protest at the locality to condemn the bomb attack last evening that took place in front of TVS Vehicle Servicing Center, Thangmaiban, injuring 3 persons. Taking part in the protest, one Mera Paibi leader, Laishram Lebaklay, condemned the act and urged all concerned not to repeat such incidents in future.
Karamba sangsana tauribano, karamba group na tauribano, sengdok haningi athuba matamda, aduga loina na matungda muhana micham tinwa praja sidi samna habda sorok hai sidi akhoi di main road ka chap manare lampen phawbani sida angang pho laithok lai singam da jaga sida mi ne kongraba jaga sida sumaina thamjilamba sidi akhoi tawhanning de aduna karamba group na tawiri no lanai bu oiro amabu oiro sengdok haningi.
Chief Minister N. Biren today asked the public to understand the situation while awaiting justice for the death of N. Babisana till the investigations are complete and over. He said this during a passing out parade for Manipur police held at Pangai today. Chief Minister Biren attended the passing out parade of the 5th batch of Manipur Rifles IRB-CP followers at Manipur Police Training Center campus at Pangai, Imphal East this morning. During the event, N. Biren said steps for the welfare and development of all schools in the state will be taken up under new schemes. He further stated that about rupees 33.50 crore will be spent under new schemes by August 7th next month, out of which 60 schools in the state first priority will be given to 25 schools.
Government full LRT. Investigating agency or police or government legally report Lumi putting covered up adu tawina high we are way. She got to go to the Afaba mission Prajata, Kabagi Wanuga, Ain to Varako, Road to Varako, Jakarta, the equipment, Yamna Koi, Saba Ain, home the equipment built over the Singapore. Matamama, the politicians in the Ramba, Hazard politicians in Bopradana, as moisty laga, political person, Viraga, Tabak with the Tauba, Mangan, the Kambu, and the Lona, Bagi culture, Madugi, confidence, they don't have the Madu, a quick and no life of political culture, the Madu, Honori, a queen of hot, a queen of high of Punama, if we have one talking about. Tabak won't talk about another representative with a positive conversation.
The Chief Minister further said under the BJP-led coalition government in the state, it has been able to build the gap between the public and the state force within a short span of time. Within this short span of time, the government has been successful in filling vacant posts in different government departments, he said. The Chief Minister further said the present government shows solidarity and understands the public sentiment, unlike the previous government. Addressing the media on Baby Sana's case, he assured that justice will be delivered at the earliest. Those involved will be punished, he added. Chief Minister Ann Biren also said during the passing out parade that discipline is the utmost important part of police officers to secure trust and respect of the public. As they deal with the public, misconduct should be avoided at all costs. He also wished the batch best wishes in their future endeavor. As part of the program, 5 personnel were selected for Best PT, Best Parade and were presented with trophy and certificates honoring them. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalyan, Mahut Minister Sham Kumar, MLA's high-ranking officers and several police officials attended the event. The protests against ban on stone and sand quarry continued unabated. Wage earners residing along the Imphal-Dimapur road section from Quirengay to Kanglatombi staged a rally by blocking the road section, demanding immediate cancellation of the High Court order. Police stopped the protesters at Quirengay Bridge from furthering the march. Taking part in the protest, Information Secretary of Apunba Sinmi Loop Awang Maikai Nganthoi stated that the loop will also ban vehicles transporting sand and stones from outside the state. He also appealed to the concerned authority to lift the ban imposed by the High Court or to make alternative arrangements for the wage earners. Meanwhile, convener of the Apunba Sinmi Loop Awang Maikai Loop, Kanglatombi Pijam Priyokumar said that imposing a ban without giving any prior notice to the daily wage earners is tantamount to challenging the laborers. He also appealed for revocation of the High Court ban. If the authority does not pay heed to their demands, the agitation will continue, he pledged.
Makhatana karigumba sarkasna ayaba pirktaba taragasu akhoi banjida adumate akhoi saugatjaragani aduga dimapuromdagi putholakpa laingoi adagi cement yot asina singba gari ne putholakpa gari jingjina putholakpa gari jingjima masa masagi daito oibiu haina ai appeal tawsagi. High Court ki tholaibo order singsina mari lenebo authority singna ubiduna akhoi khongjang se khara handokpiu akhoi gi kwari suba yabagi ayaba se pibiu haiba wafam se ngasi laksari ba sinmi akhoi thamjari adum masida kaigumba thabak do onthok piraktragadi mathang tabda akanba khongjang hen kanba khongjang akhoi sinmi singna lepa laitana hanba laitana changsinjarakani akhoi sinmi singi hingbagi hagado lokthok pirate akhoi hingba gi kanadraba ama uragade akhoi sibo phawba chara henbagi khongjang phawba akhoi changsilakani haibasi akhoi thamjari.
अखोई ऑर्डर से रिवोक तौदब सुंजा यादे अखोई अमोन हान की पुंसी महिंग अखोई हंदलदब यादे हबी वरेप अखोई लौगनेबा अदु नत्रगदी करी नायदा अखोई गवर्नमेंट दा तोंगान करी तौकद के हाइबदी अखोई हजि हाइजरोय अदुबो अखोई तोंगान पफन पनगदमता तोंगान कई थोलकदे हाइबदु ngasi मोते हाइजरोय अदु होरेन करिगुंबा सिगी लेरिबा अखोई हाइवे की अदगी कनोगी हाई कोर्ट की हियरिंग की पाव अमदि गवर्नमेंट की फमिबा सिटिंग की करिगुंबा करी वेनो लाइव सिकितंग जिंग मतुंगदा अखोई करी लोगद के हाइबदो मदो अखोई मखा ताबा मिस्टर उजगे.
Locals of Kanto Kulen staged a sit-in protest at Kanto Kulen Community Hall today against the High Court order to ban sand mining and stone quarry. They held placards which read, "Safe laborers, no development without sand and stone," end. We strongly oppose High Court order. MLA of Wangkai constituency Okram Henry visited Kurai Ashongai Primary School in the aftermath of the incident wherein a student of the school was found locked inside the classroom. The MLA took stock of the situation arising out of the incident and also met the school authorities, local club members, Mera Paibi members and parents of the child in his effort to defuse the situation. Okram Henry issued a strict warning to the school authorities not to let such unfortunate incident happen in the future. And now let's take a short break. More news updates on the other side. Stay with us.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing da admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara, phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back after the break. Moirang Apunba Mera Paibi Lup staged a torch rally against substance abuse at Moirang under Bishnupur district last night. Secretary of Nampil and Thaba Devi said that during a recent meeting of Nampil and civil society organizations, a decision was taken to ban selling illicit drugs in Moirang area. An anti-drug drive will also be launched in the area from August 2, she announced. The rally, which started from Moirang Lamkai, marched through Moirang Bazaar, Sendra Road and areas covered by Moirang Municipal Council. The protesters chanted slogans like, "Let's stop sale of drugs, stop using drugs for the sake of future generation," etc. Nampil has also announced that rupees 10,000 will be fined on selling of liquor, rupees 5,000 for legal consumers and rupees 20,000 for women who are found consuming drugs from August 2. Communist Party of India Manipur has drawn the attention of Manipur Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Kongkham Robindro with regard to the issue raised by Kerala CPI Rajya Sabha member Binoy Viswam yesterday at the Rajya Sabha on black marketing of rice meant for distribution to poor people of Manipur under the National Food Security Act NFSA. This was stated in a press release today by State Party Secretary L. Sotin Kumar. Assam Rifles apprehended a self-styled corporal of Pripak and seized arms and ammunition from his possession during counter-insurgency operation at Kongba, Imphal yesterday. The cadre, along with the recovered arms and ammunition and other warlike stores, has been handed over to police for further investigation, official sources informed today. President of Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Manipuri Muslim Jano Begum today said that no one must form any other association other than the existing Roadside Vendors Association. She stated this while talking to reporters at the Imarkatel Temporary Market, Imphal. Jano Begum also informed every wholesale dealers to deliver their products at the marketplace before 9 a.m. A self-styled colonel belonging to the proscribed UNLF was arrested by police at Hayrok Bazaar of Taubal district. A team of Taubal Police Commando under the supervision of Taubal District Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha nabbed the top leader of the outfit during operation, a report said today. He has been identified as Saikom Sarat Singh, alias Tomcho, aged 53, son of late S. Ibohal Singh of Hayrok Part 2 Bazaar. It is learned that Sarat got basic military training at Tonu in Myanmar in 1987. Let's take a short break, but coming up, Desam held a mass protest. More after the break.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur held a mass protest at Desam office against using unfair means in HSLC exam and pending report of the inquiry committee constituted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur.
Matam ore aduna pham thadopiu loinana board ki competition ki thabakta yauriba chi yengiba oja sing mark head of examiner oriba scrutiny oriba oja sing makhoi sing asi loina sindokadobani aduga loinana handaki exam result hydrokpa matamda arana hui tobada chenariba oja sing asi thiduoga miyam khangna serak pidragadi masi desamna tumina khak laiseloi board sik kananabagi damakta board ki mathakta akanba khongjang chengsan baga loinana masida arana hui mayam chubu namjal laga kankal laga thamnina khaliba education minister ju pham thadokki matam ore mana asum bagi damaka thabak tobanga moire dabo ragadi manipur gi horak liba mairoi mayam asigi yengbiraga atuba matamda pham thadok piro haiduna de samna maile nabasingi puning chingsen jabo loina masa masa da pin tawjari
CM gi asigum laba amot pa achum aran ase puthok piduna education minister na mi eng changbiduna satra amadi laibak miyam pumna makta masigi aran ba ase puthok piyo satra sing bo achum balambi da pusan biyo haiduna ngasi aikho gi sit in protest set tawjabani makhata na de samna changchilak pa khongjang khodi makta aikhoina saruk yagani haiduna khompan chetna lepchari.
All India Trade Union Congress Manipur State Committee has extended full support to the statewide 14-hour ban call imposed by all Manipur excavator, local truck, tipper owners and worker association beginning 4 a.m. of August 1. The ban is in protest against the recent order issued by Manipur High Court to ban unauthorized mining of stone and sand in rivers across the state. Nongpok Ningthau Youth Association Yairipok felicitated Takyalambam Sunday Singh, who won silver medal at 5th International Karate Championship 2019 held at Netaji Indoor Stadium, Kolkata from July 26 to 28. The felicitation program held at Nongpok Ningthau Community Hall, Yairipok Top Chingka, was attended by President of NNYA and Nabakishore, President of Imphal East District Karate Do Association Mohammad Basir Ahmad, Secretary Assistant and Coach Ahmad Amir, Chief Instructor Mohammad Liaquat Ali, Team Coach Arambam Greatson, and President of Imphal East Apunba Nupi Khunai Lup Asem Ibetombi. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said that he would like to help Muslim women of the state who are victims of the age-old Muslim practice of triple talaq. He also asked the victims of triple talaq to share their woes by meeting him directly. The Chief Minister also assured that he would take steps to solve all problems of the Muslim sisters of Tripura. Supporters rallied outside the court in Hong Kong today ahead of an appearance by more than 40 fellow protesters who have been charged with rioting as they chanted "Reclaim Hong Kong, Revolution of Our Times." As per reports, they are protesting China's influence in the city, a semi-autonomous Chinese territory with its own laws and legal system. 44 people have been charged with rioting and one other with possessing offensive weapons. They were detained after clashes with police at an unauthorized protest in the western part of Hong Kong Island. Before we wind up, let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Vivisna's dead at hostel of Standard Robert School. Remand for son of school principal. Rajya Sabha clears triple talaq bill. Government's failure shocking, says Joy Kishan. Imphal Free Press. Landhoni's son arrested in connection to Vivisna's death. Chief Minister to relaunch Manipur Heli Service soon. 3 injured in IED blast. Manipur becomes first in Northeast to have food quality analysis lab under public sector. MLA slams government for sending repeated proposal under different sections. The People's Chronicle. Crime scene recreated, SIT naps principal's son. Chief Minister to relaunch Manipur Heli Service soon. MLA Joy Kishan suspects powerful forces gagging government. Ledpao assures early restoration of Khuga Canal. The Morning Bell. Youngest son of Standard Robert School principal pick off. Remanded to police custody. MLA Joy Kishan suspects powerful gang which can dictate government. World Day Against Trafficking observed. Calls for joint effort against human trafficking. Education Minister interacts with Delhi school children. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister to relaunch heli service. Son of principal arrested in student death case. SIT re-investigate hostel room. 3 hurt in Thamliban blast. Water Resources Minister inspects Khuga Dam. Plastic ban in Aizawl will be effective from August 1.
Before we wind up today's bulletin, the top news stories. Top stories today. Mortal remains of Ningthojam Babisana to be laid to rest today. Minister N. Biren against unofficial disclosure of any development on Babisana's case by investigating agency. And rupees 33.50 crore to be spent for development of schools in Manipur, says Chief Minister. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.